Vanakkam. Welcome to my channel Thrive with Selvi. Today I am going to make kulfi. Kulfi is a traditional Indian dessert similar to ice cream, used to be sold by street vendors either in the ice cream or popsicle form. It features a creamy milk base simmered with fragrant saffron, green cardamom powder and sugar, and then poured into kulfi molds and frozen as a cool dessert. Surprisingly, it is easy to make, and kulfi is, you can make kulfi with several different variations using different crushed nuts and fruits. Today I am going to make Malai Kulfi and Pistachio Kulfi. Kids and adults enjoy kulfi. First, we have to take a heavy bottomed pan and we have to boil the milk first. I am using a ceramic pan. You can use a stainless steel or a non-stick or anything. I am using evaporated milk, but if you don't get evaporated milk, you can also use condensed milk. If you use condensed milk, don't use sugar. So boil the milk first. Once it starts boiling, add the saffron threads. Stir the milk continuously, scraping the sides. You have to continuously stir it, otherwise the milk will overflow. If the milk starts to overflow, you can reduce the flame little bit, then it will cool down. You can make this recipe using just whole milk. I am using evaporated milk and whipping cream just to reduce the cooking time. If you just use whole milk, it will take a long time. When the milk is boiling, it smells so good with the fragrance of the saffron. When the texture is thick like this, now we can add sugar and cardamom powder. Then keep stirring until the sugar melts. After you add the sugar, it will become little bit watery, and then again it will become little thicker again. Now our kulfi is ready. Our milk base is ready, so we can pour it into the molds now. I am going to take half of it for Malai Kulfi, and then after that I am going to add the crushed pistachios. In the remaining one, I am going to add the pistachios. Add the pistachios when it is hot. Now the pistachio kulfi base is also ready now. Today I am going to use the kulfi mold to freeze the kulfi, and you can also use popsicle mold. And you don't even need a kulfi or popsicle mold. If you have small cups like this, you can also use them and freeze it. Pour it all the way up. You have to cool the kulfi before putting it in the freezer. So I'm going to freeze it now. It will take like 6 to 8 hours for the kulfi to be ready. Now our kulfi is ready, so we can try it now. This is the Malai Kulfi and this is the Pistachio Kulfi. I'm going to take the Malai Kulfi out now. So you can dip it in the water slightly. The kulfi is ready and we can try it now, and this is the Malai Kulfi and this is the Pistachio Kulfi. So I'm going to try the Malai Kulfi now. It tastes so good with the cardamom and the saffron flavor. Kulfi is denser and thicker than ice cream. That way you can taste the flavor for a long time. When I try the kulfi, it takes me to the old memories, my childhood memories. When I was a kid, a kulfi guy will come to the streets at night time in a small cart. As soon as we hear the ring noise, we used to go out and get the kulfi ice cream. That was a really fun experience. Now you can get kulfi in all the stores. There are also special stores where they just sell kulfi in different flavors. Try it and enjoy it with your kids at home. Thanks for watching my channel. See you all soon with more exciting recipes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.